Welcome to MagiTuts. Here's how to change your username on Discord. In order to change your username on Discord, simply head over to the gear symbol saying user settings in the lower left corner of the screen. Click on that. Click on the edit button next to your username. Adjust your username. Type in the current password and click on Done. Now your username has been changed. One important thing to note about the username is that once you change your username will be changed on all the servers that you participate in. To change your nickname, do the following. Simply select the down arrow next to the server's name and then select Change Nickname. And there you can simply adjust your nickname for that very server. You can do that on any server, so you can basically have a different nickname on any server that you are part of. Now, if you're on a mobile phone, simply open up Discord, then click on the profile picture in the bottom right corner of the screen. Then click on username under account information, adjust your username, and then click on save. Now simply type in your current password and tap on done. That's it. Thank you very much, guys. Please subscribe to the channel and hit that notification bell. Bye, guys.